Welcome back to the channel, all you Zontes maniacs. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. So let's dive into this video. You might think doing a coolant change on your Zontes motorbike would be a job for a mechanic in a motorbike dealership. Yet the process is a job that can be done with little knowledge. You just need the know-how. This is where Zontes steps in for its owners. This video will guide you through the coolant change, step by step, giving you satisfaction and saving money in the process. So study the video, take your time, and take satisfaction in your work. Please go to my channel where you will find many videos on different Zontes bikes as well as your own model. While I have your attention on this video, our Zontes channel has over 2,000 videos on how to maintain, strip down and look after your Zontes motorbike or scooter, subtitled in English, French, Spanish and Chinese, on all the Zontes models. So please take a look on my channel homepage where all the bikes are in different playlists.
Black and white. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. It's black and white. Come on, baby. Black and white, come on, baby. Love, no more, baby. It's black and white, just let me go. It's only right, for all I know. It's only matter, it's calico. It's black and white, 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 white. Just let me go, it's only right, for all I know. It's only matter, it's calico. It's black and white, 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 white.
Make me feel well, oh, I can't break the spell. I just have to be true. Make me feel well, oh, I can't break. Make me
It's black and white. Yeah. Black and white. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. It's black and white. It's black and white.